Are your employees scrolling past your announcements while checking memes? Are critical updates getting lost in a sea of Slack channels? The internal communications pack fixes this with AI powered message amplification tools, dynamic audience segmentation, real time engagement dashboards, and automated workflow integrations for Slack, Teams, and email. Whether you're a seasoned internal comms manager, HR leader, department head, or C suite exec, we give you the megaphone your messages deserve. Spoiler alert, it works better than yelling, "Hey everyone," in the office kitchen. Here's what's inside the internal communications pack: strategic narrative frameworks for leadership announcements, dynamic newsletter generators with brand consistent styling, town hall playbooks with pre-built Q&A templates, employee segmentation engines using role-based behavioral data, engagement analytics dashboards with ROI tracking. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just communication, it's organizational alignment made magical. Installing the internal communications pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add internal comms pack. That's it. You'll get 12 pre-built campaign templates, 8 automated workflow connectors, and 4 strategic playbooks downloaded directly to your workspace. Your next Claude Code session picks up the new capabilities automatically. No config needed. Your AI assistant now becomes a comms wizard who knows segmentation strategies, message timing optimization, and engagement KPIs. And don't worry, no PhD in spreadsheetology required for setup. Now go make your company announcements go from meh to wow with one click.